Okay, so what I've done is I've added a bonus product with purchase. So this is the checkout page for the billboard course, and if you look down here you can see that you can choose an exclusive product or a product from my VisNova catalog. So if you click on this, for example, this will take you to the exclusives, and for example if you wanted this product, you click on that and then you just copy the URL to the product, and then you come back and say for example I wanted to send it to VisNova. I would put that in here for the avatar name, and then I would just paste that product link in there and then click on submit like that. Okay, and what that will do is that will send me an email, and for now it's manual, and what I'll do is once I receive the email and I can confirm that you've purchased, I will then send you the product. Okay, so you can choose either one from the exclusives catalog, or you can choose one from the VisNova's catalog. Not both, but one or the other. Okay, so I hope you enjoy that extra little bonus with any purchase.